In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily buy Bitcoin on the platform XTB. If you want to create an account on XTB, you simply have to go down to the video description and click on the first link. Then you'll get to exactly this page right here. And then you can just simply click down here on create account. And then you'll need to enter your details, download the app, and you can start right away. So once you're logged in inside the app right here, we can now add money to our account by simply tapping here on add money. Then we have these three options right here. First of all, the standard bank transfer. If we just click on that right here, you can see we have our recipient name right here, the IBAN, and down here the transfer for the description. Make sure to include that because that is your account number, so it knows that this transfer belongs to your account. And once you've made the bank transfer right here, it can take up to 2 to 3 days for it to arrive. This method right here is completely for free and you can deposit any amount you would like. If we go back, the second option would be to add your payment card. So as you can see right here, you have these options, Visa, MasterCard, or these other right here. And then you can simply just enter your card number, expiry date, and the CVC code right here. Click on add card down here and then use that card for deposits. That method right here is also for free. And the third option with a 0.85% fee is PayPal. And if you just tap on PayPal right here, you simply sign up with your PayPal account, choose an amount you want to deposit, and then confirm the deposit. So these are your three options to deposit money. So once we have free money in our account right here, we can now go to buy some crypto. Simply go to markets down here. Then go here for search. Let's choose crypto. These are all the cryptocurrencies we have. Let's choose Bitcoin for now. And then down here, make sure to choose mark order to execute the buy order immediately at the current market price. And then right here under volume, you can enter how much Bitcoin you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy 0.08 Bitcoin, which equals 2,500 euros in this case. And then all I need to do is just click down here on buy, and then my purchase will be completed. Don't forget to create an account by using the first link down from the video description. Simply click on create account, follow the instructions, and then you're ready to go.